I use this system to cross $500K on Upwork and charge $100 an hour, and you can swipe it today. There is a simple reason this works. Upwork rewards two things: proof you make clients happy and proof you make the platform money. If you align with both, invites and replies start compounding. Let's find out how it works. Sit back, relax, let's dive in. Step 1. Make your profile sell for you. Most profiles read like resume. Winners read like offers. Tight headline that matches your niche, one clean promise, 3 outcomes, add a short profile video. Seeing you talk, building trust way faster than a wall of text, and it boosts replies and bookings. If you're new, borrow authority with tiny case studies: before, after, one metric. Step 2. Earn fast reviews on purpose. When I restarted, I didn't chase big checks. I chased 5-star proof. I even took a $5 job to get the first review, then landed an $80 job that turned into $46K over time. That $5 snowball was worth it. Remember the rule of thumb for your opening rate. Start near the platform average to learn fast and fill the profile with wins. On Upwork, that's about $20 an hour for many skills. As your value climbs, raise. You may say, but I can get replies. 3 fixes. First, niche down your profile so you look like a perfect fit for very specific jobs. Upwork's best match logic loves relevance and recent wins, not generics with army knives profiles. Second, manage invites like a pro. Respond fast, set availability properly, and flip it back to available before you turn from big projects or vacation to jump the line. Third, buy more connects and write more proposals. Upwork loves activity and will push you more to the top if you consistently apply for jobs every week. Most freelancers stop at send a few proposals. The people who never run out of clients do 3 things every week. First, apply consistently. Some power users or agencies even automate dozens of targeted proposals a week to make life easier. I've never used those tools and you don't need them either, but you do need that consistency. Second, harvest invites by keeping availability accurate and reply fast. Right now, rewrite your profile top section to call out your niche, audience, and outcome in one sentence. Add 3 bullets that read like mini case studies, then apply to 5 jobs that match that sentence like a glove. By the way, I put together a free guide that shows my proposals outline and follow-up scripts. Grab it in the description. And if this is helping, hit like, subscribe, and write a comment. It really keeps this channel going and gets this video to more freelancers. For extra support and a private growth club, check out my Patreon, link below. Now let's talk about turning first job into unlimited work. After my $5 review, I messaged daily, asked better questions, and delivered fast. That led to agency clients who fed me work for months and years. One paid me $94K over time. This is the one client, many projects flywheel. If you're stuck, here is a 3-day sprint. Day 1, tighten profile plus add a 60-second intro video. Day 2, send 10 laser-matched proposals with 1 customized insight each. Day 3, follow up on every proposal and reply to invites within minutes. When the first good client says we'll keep you busy, raise your rate on new leads only and keep delivering. That's exactly how I climbed proof first, price later. Do this 30 days and you won't worry about where do I find clients. You will be choosing which ones to take. Before you go, if you want to go deeper on staying fully booked, watch this next. The secret to never running out of clients on Upwork. Trust me, you don't want to skip this one.